Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need network access and an open shell. First, make sure your adapter is enabled and connected. Once done, press Start, type CMD, and hit Enter to open command prompt. You can also use PowerShell if you prefer its commands and output formatting. The reason we start the terminal now is because the IP tool runs there. Starting immediately saves time and avoids clicking through network settings. Next, I'll show the exact commands to reveal your IP configuration and related details. Now type ipconfig and press Enter to see basic IP4, subnet mask, and default gateway. This is how Windows reports current addressing. For full details, type ipconfig/all to reveal physical MAC, addresses, DHCP lease info, and DNS servers, which explains where names resolve. If you prefer PowerShell, run getnet IP address for structured output. Make sure to scroll the window. If output is long, right-click the title. Choose Edit, then mark to copy the block for later reference. Finish by saving and interpreting your results. Copy the command prompt text into a file for support, or redirect output with ipconfig/allipinfo. txt. If the address looks wrong, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to request a new DHCP lease, and ipconfig/flushtons to clear name resolution issues. Troubleshooting tip. If renew fails, check that the network adapter is enabled and set to obtain IP automatically. If still blocked, reboot the router or disable security software temporarily to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.